Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview BioGuard Off the Wall. What is BioGuard Off the Wall? BioGuard Off the Wall surface cleaner allows you to efficiently remove scale, dirt, and stains on most types of pool and spa surfaces, including vinyl, fiberglass, ceramic, stainless steel, aluminum, and painted surfaces. This product is specifically formulated for compatibility with swimming pool and spa water. Off-the-wall surface cleaner is designed to be a long-lasting cleaner, so fewer reapplications are needed. Product benefits: pool cleaner, spa cleaner, surface cleaner. Usage directions. Step 1. Apply with a damp cloth, sponge, or brush and scrub at water level. Off-the-wall clings to vertical surfaces for easier cleaning. Step 2. Allow off-the-wall to work on deposits for a few minutes, then scrub with a wet cloth, sponge, or soft vinyl brush. Step 3. Rinse well after cleaning. Off-the-wall may be used to clean the entire surface of the spa when the unit is drained. Rinse surfaces thoroughly before refilling the spa. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.